Cylinder relief valve. It's a pressure regulating valve used in steam engines. It is used to blow off steam and accumulated water particles from the cylinder whenever the pressure goes beyond the working pressure. The complete assembly of the cylinder relief valve is presented on the screen. The lock nut is loosened and the screw that applies pressure on the spring seat is removed. The cover is unscrewed and disassembled. Observe the slot in the cover that is provided to vent out steam when steam is blown off. The spring seat along with the spring are now disassembled. The valve is removed and the plug screw is dismantled along with its washer. The body is flanged in order to connect it with the cylinder end.